everybody. Well, not everybody yet. It's a video.
Look at our lovely walk. We're in the front of the group because we're so fast. I'm a fast walker.
Like a parade. Just going to the family reunion.
Did you feel better though when you woke up?
They're ginormous.
Say hi.
It sounded like an audio track. So I just recorded your whole side of your face.
Yeah, they were there for that.
What's up? Ita tomorrow. That's it. Buenas, buenas. Where you guys stay at? I mean, in the States.
Texas, California.
LBC. Fanogi, ready? Fanogi tomorrow on 3. 1, 2, 3. Fanogi tomorrow.
I'm down next to.
Why am I?
Let me do it. I don't even know what this is. That was pretty good. I knew he sounded.
Hey, what village are you from?
I'm local.
Hey, where's your grandma from? You're not from the north, right?
Yeah.
Thank you all. So I just want to show you our photo. Thank you.
We are the caretakers of the largest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is our home. Ayo. Yes.
Mahalo for that. Called akari. Akari is the old coconut. Many stages of the coconut tree. This is the brown coconut that falls to the ground, the one that we open and we make our coconut cream, our pie from it.
probably recognizable by their costume.
Big loud voice, Witty. Witty, y'all people believe that where there is movement, there is life. So when you see our group up here shaking, no, they are not cold, yeah? They are simply showing you that they are well and truly alive. So this is the we. Your man, and you would like for him to come out and do the haka, please give him a nudge. Bruh. Push him right now. Please encourage your partner to come up and do something and go try something new. If you are chosen, don't be shy. Few volunteers? Oh, why? Okay, now as you're sitting there, please, ladies and gentlemen, have a huge round of applause for our volunteers. And just while we're here, I'd also like to acknowledge our former Deputy Prime Minister of New Zealand, Carlos Sabloni. Huge round of applause.
Okay, I think it's professional already.
All right, Johnson!
Round of applause, huge round of applause. Veteran, slap for 2 and bring it back for 2. Slap for 2 and bring it back for 2. And slap for 2 and bring her into you. And slap for 2 and bring it back for 2. Nice. Okay, and you want to hold for 3 seconds, yeah? 1, 2, 3, Bugana! Oh, I think you can do better than that. Come on, gentlemen. Absolutely awesome. Huge round of applause.
Not only that, the indigenous people of this nation have settled there for 3,500 years. The indigenous people of these islands are known as Chamorro, which is their official language in addition to English, a U.S. territory, the very first Pacific Islander woman to be a governor of Guahan.
It seems like there's some Chamorros in the audience. Maybe just a few.
Pretty cool. Okay, and now. I got Calbee. And then I got What is chafing?
Because it's better than me walking with my hand like this.
My key's in my bag. We're like, hello.
I got you guys. I got you.
What's happening here? Liar. Uh-oh.
Remember, I gave up my rights.
That means you can't.
She said I gave up my rights. Hey y'all, so haven't updated. Oh, they're getting more brown, but this is the grass skirts. We had to redo them. I don't think I recorded anything, or I might have videos later and I'll probably post them. Oh, my makeup is still kind of on. Maybe I don't have to do it. Maybe just touch up. Although I do feel kind of gross because we just came from the beach. Oh, one of my wings is gone. Headed to dinner. We're gonna get ready for dinner at the Hilton or wherever the heck we're going, and gotta be ready by 8. It is now 6:53. So I'm gonna shower and get ready and see you guys once I'm done. Don't bend over, Tom. Please don't.
I realized if I bend over and touch my toes.
Also,
Your mom knows who he is?
It's like, I see Camille's running.
You hear my little footsteps.
Yeah.
Stampede.
I'm gonna block your Instagram. I'm just kidding. Don't do that.
Maybe one more soup.
So freaking fast.
Sarah, she's a minor. That's illegal. We know you're a cougar and everything, but still.
Haley was like,
You got
I was like, what are you guys doing?
That's it.
Go ahead, take your time, but hurry up.
Whoa! Oh!
That's your lava. Darth Vader. Alright, that's it. Wait, how do you do it? D-A-Y? A-D-A-I.
I don't think you have enough right. I
It's not right. Trust me.
Hey, nice. Wow.
Never eating fried rice the same.
Your rice burning. Hey, I say that.
Witness. What's up? Witness.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, 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 Miley Cyrus, working.
Show me a picture.
Sounds like Mulan. No. They still cheating.
I'm not from Guam, born and raised, but
Now your family then.